Hello everyone, welcome to our channel School Tech Karnataka. If you are studying in 5th standard, then you have come to the right place. We'll be studying Mathematics Part 1 and Part 2 together. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe and also share it with your friends. We'll be starting with Part 1, and in Part 1, the first unit that we have is 5-digit numbers. So in this unit, we'll be studying how to read and write 5-digit numbers, how to recognize place value of digits in 5-digit number, how to expand the 5-digit number according to the place value of digits, and how to write the numbers in the standard form. We'll also be learning how to arrange the 5-digit numbers in ascending and descending order, and how to write the skip numbers for given 5-digit numbers. The first few exercises are the revision exercises about 4-digit numbers that you have already learned in your previous classes. So let's start with exercise 1. Write the place value chart for the given numbers. As you know, we start the place value chart from ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Let's try to write the given numbers. The first given number is 2684. As you already know, we write the digits from the ones position. So at ones we have 4, at tens 8, at hundreds place we have 6, and at thousands place we have 2. So let's try to read this number together. It is 2684. Similarly, for the second given number, which is 7000, we write it as 0007. This number is 7000. Since at hundreds, tens and ones place we have zeros, we skip these and this number is simply read as 7000. Our third given number is 9806. 6 at ones we have 0 at tens, we have 8 at hundreds and 9 at thousands place. Let's try to read this number. 9806. Since at tens place we have 0, we read this number as 9806. Then for the fourth given number 8649, it is from ones, 9, 4, 6 and 8. Let's try to read this number. 8649. Now the second given exercise is to write the following in words. Okay, for words, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. For words, for the first example, let's try to write this number in our place value chart. At ones we have 9, 3, 7, 1. So we read this number as 1739. So this number is written as 1739. So similarly, for our second given number 3007, it is 7 at ones. We have 7 at ones place, 0 at tens place, 0 at hundreds place, and 3 at thousands place. So we read out this number as 3007. Since hundreds and tens place we have 0, we usually skip this and read this number as 3007. So this number is 3007. Similarly, for the next two, we have 4088, which is 4088. 4088 and 11,900. 11,900. Let's see what we have in our next exercise. In our third exercise, we need to write the given numbers in figures. They have given numbers in words and we need to write them in figures. So the first number is 9,315. How do we write it? 9,315. The second number is 2,400. 2,400. And the third given number is 7,636. 7,036. 7,036. In our next exercise, we need to answer the following questions. Let's see what questions do we have. Write the greatest three-digit number. You already know the greatest three-digit number is 999 and the smallest three-digit number is 100. Similarly, the greatest four-digit number is 9,999 and the smallest four-digit number is 1000. Good. Now compare the numbers and write equal to, greater than or less than symbol in between the numbers. We need to write if the given number is equal to, greater than or less than. You already know that equal to sign is used when the numbers given on the right side and on the left side and the right side are equal, like 10 and 10. The greater than symbol is used when the number given on the left side is greater than the right side. So for example, we have 110. In this case, the digit 100 is greater than 10, so we write it as greater than. And the smaller than symbol is used when the digits or the number on the left side are smaller than the digits on the right side. In this case, for example, we have 10 and 100. So on the left side we have 10 and on the right side we have 100. Since 100 is greater than 10, we use this symbol. Let's try to solve this exercise. The first digit we have on the left side, we have 3,567, and on the right side we have 4,567. We always need to check the digits at the thousands place. So at thousands place, in this we have 3 and here we have 4. As you already know, 4 is greater than 3, that is 4,000 is greater than 3,000. So we write this or we can say 3,000 is now smaller than 4,000. So we can write it as this. 3,567 is smaller than 4,567. Now at the second example, we have 6,582 on the left and 6,385 on the right. Let's check at the thousands place. We have 6 and 6. Since these both are equal, we move to the next place, that is hundreds place, and check which digits do we have at hundreds place. So here we have 5 and here 3. We know 5 is greater than 3. That means 6,582 is greater than 6,385. So in this case we use greater than symbol. This is greater than. So now we have 6,582 is greater than 6,385. Our last example is 7,384 and 7,384. Let's begin from the thousands place. We have 7 here and 7 here. Since these both are equal, we move to hundreds place. At hundreds place, we have 3 here and 3 on the right hand side. Since these both are equal, we move to the next place. It is tens, 8, and here at tens we have also 8. Now these both are equal, we move to the ones place. At ones we have here 4 and here 4. Since all these digits are same, the numbers are equal. Here we use equal to symbol. 7,384 is equal to 7,384. Let's check what we have in our next exercise. So in sixth exercise, we need to write the greatest and the smallest 4-digit number using the following digits and without repeating the digits. This is important here for us. So the first given digits are 1, 2, 3, 4. To write the greatest 4-digit number, we need to first find the greatest of all these numbers here. We have 4. So we write 4. From the remaining 3, the greatest number is 3. 3, and the remaining 2 we have 2, 1. With these numbers, we have got our greatest 4-digit number. It is 4321. Similarly, for the smallest 4-digit number, we need to write it from the smallest digit. So first we need to find the smallest of these digits and write it. Smallest of these is 1. From the remaining 3, the smallest is 2. Then we have from 3 and 4, the smallest is 3. The remaining is 4. So we have found the smallest 4-digit number is 1234. Similarly, for the second example, 6380, how do we find the greatest? We need to write the greatest first, greatest number, right? 8, after 8 we have 6, after 6 we have 3 and the remaining 0. The greatest 4-digit with these numbers digits is 8630. Similarly, for the smallest, we need to write from the smallest first. So the smallest number is 0. Next, the smallest from these 3, it is 3. Then we have 6 and 8. Since here we have 0 at the very beginning, we all know the number starting with 0, it's not a 4-digit but a 3-digit number, as 0 doesn't have any value. So to write this, to find the smallest 4-digit number, we need to swap these two digits and write it as 3068. So we have found the smallest 4-digit number using these 4 digits, 3068. Now our last example, 5274. For the greatest number, we need to find the greatest digit, 7. Then we have 5, 4 and 2. Our greatest 4-digit number is 7542. And similarly, for the smallest 4-digit number, we need to start with the smallest digit first. The smallest is 2. The next is 4. And then we have 5 and 7. The smallest 4-digit number is 2457. Okay, now we'll move on to our next exercise, which is write the following numbers in ascending order. What is exactly an ascending order? Ascending order is writing the smallest number first and then the largest at the last. So it goes from the smallest number and to the largest number. Let's try to find the smallest number in the given 4 numbers. As you know, we need to check the thousands place first. we have 2 at thousands place. Since 2 is equal in all the 4 numbers, we move to our hundreds place. So here at hundreds place we have 4 and here 4. These two are equal, and the next number is 5 at hundreds place and 5. Since 5 is greater than 4, we now know that 4 and 4, these two digits come first. So to check which is the smallest in these two digits, we move to the tens place. At tens place we have 5 here and 6 here. So obviously 5 is small. We have found the smallest number. 2, 4, 5, 6. 2456 is our smallest. And now this, since here at hundreds place we have 4 and here 5, we know this would be our next smallest number. That is our next number, the next largest number, 2465. Now the next largest number from these two is 22556. At tens place we have 6 and at tens place here we have 4, which means 4 is smallest than 6. Obviously this number is smaller than this number, 2546, and our remaining number is this one, 2565. So in ascending order we rewrite it as 2456 first, 2465 next, 2546 next, and 2565 at last. This is our greatest number and this is our smallest number. Similarly, for the next given numbers, we have 5, 5, 5, 5 at thousands place. We move on to hundreds place. At hundreds place we have 7, 6, 6, 8. In these 4 digits, the smallest one is 6 exactly. So the smallest in these two is, here at tens we have 7 and at tens we have 8. So this is our smallest number. 5678 is our smallest number. Now the next greatest number is 5, 5, 5. Okay, 7, 6, 8. 6 is smallest. So 5, 6, 5687. This is gone. Now from the remaining two we need to find the smallest number. It is 5, 5. Okay, then hundreds is 7, 8. 7 is the smallest. We have 5768, and the remaining number is our greatest number, 5867. So similarly, for our next example, the numbers that we have are 8901, 8910, 8109, and 8112. 90. So here we need to find the smallest first. The smallest, to find the smallest, we check the thousands place. 8, 8, 8, 8. It is, since it is equal, we move to the hundreds place. 9, 9, 1 and 1. Since 9, 9 is greater than 1, 1, we need to check between these two digits, these two numbers, which is the smallest. So 8, 8, 1, 1. So at tens place we have 0 and here 9. Since 0 is smallest than 9, smaller than 9, our smallest digit is, the smallest number is 8109. So from the remaining 3, the smallest number is 1 here. 8190. 8190. And from the remaining 2, we need to find the smallest. The smallest is here, it is 8, 8, 9, 9, 0, 1. 0 is the smallest, so 8, 9, 0, 1, 8901, and our greatest number is 8910. So similarly, we need to write the given numbers in descending order. How do we write the numbers in descending order? First, we need to write the largest number and then end with the smallest number. The largest number first and then second largest, third largest, and so on. So in descending, we write the largest first. So we need to find the largest of these 4 numbers. We start to check from thousands place. 2, 3, 2, 3. So we know 3 and 3 are larger than 2 and 2. So from these 2 numbers, we need to check the largest. At the hundreds, we have 0 and here at hundreds, we have 8. So obviously, this is our largest number. We have largest number 3830. From the remaining 3 numbers, we have here 3 as second largest. So the largest between these 3, 3038. From the remaining 2 numbers, we need to find the largest. 2, 2, 9, 9 at hundreds and 4, 3 at tens place. So 4 is larger than 3. We write 2947 and at the last comes our smallest number 2930. Okay. Similarly, for the next one, 4892, 4982, 4082 and 4792. We need to find the largest of these 4 numbers. So we start from thousands, 4, 4, 4, 4. Since they all are same, we move to hundreds place. 8, 9, 0, 7. 9 is the largest. We write it as 4907. 82. Then from the remaining 3 numbers, the largest number is, here we have 807. So 8 is largest. 4892. From the remaining 2, this is the largest, 4792, and the remaining number is the lowest, the smallest, 4082. Similarly for the last one, 5678, 5778, 5878, and 5978. We need to find the greatest number first. It is at thousands we have 5, 5, 5, 5. Since they are same, move to hundreds. At hundreds we have 6, 7, 8, 9. The greatest is 9, so we write this number first, 5978. From the remaining 3, the greatest is this number 8 with 5878. From the remaining 2, 7. So here we have 6 and here we have 7. This is the greatest, 5778. And finally the smallest number, 5678. So this is how we write the ascending and descending numbers. If you liked this video, please like and share with your friends, and also if you have forgotten to subscribe, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you can get the latest updates about our channel. Thank you for watching.